Alright guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be, well obviously we're filming in 4K this time, so we'll see if this makes any difference with the video quality and see if we can see the fish in the fish bag. I did get these fish online from a company called Allied Aqua. Just Allied Aqua, that's it. No, it's not aquaponics or aquaculture, just Allied Aqua. And Chris is the guy that sent me the fish, so Chris, if you're watching this, thank you. Might send you guys a link. But without further ado, let's do this. Oh, almost forgot. Hope everybody's having a good week or a good day today. And thank you guys for tuning in, and let's get going with this. Alright, here we are with the box. Let's cut it open and see how the fish look on the inside. And just like last time, I got a free bag of fish food. The tilapia really like this stuff. I went through a bag in about, I would say 3 weeks. I'm gonna have to order some more actually. So here we go. It's got some pretty good packaging, just like last time, well insulated. And here we go. Here's the fish. See him down there? I see 2 dead ones. These are actually larger than the ones that I got from before. Let's zoom back out so we can see it better. So we got to get these guys in the water so they can acclimate, and then we can begin the acclimation procedure. Alright, so we got the fish moved and they're in their in my little quarantine container here. I may just let them out because it looks like they're suffering in there a little bit. There's a few dead ones. Let's see. Let's get the bag open. Giant rubber bands. And I see 2 dead ones. There's one. And this is not unusual to find a couple of dead ones in here. They did come from a very far away place. And the fact that I didn't really find any dead ones in the first time I ordered was amazing. So it looks like there was only 2. I don't see any more. The rest of them look nice and happy and swimming around, so we'll let those guys hang out in there. And I just threw the dead ones in with my large fish out there. I'm sure they'll just consume those. That way Mother Nature's still doing her thing. Alright, so let's try to get the camera down in there a little bit closer so we can see. The camera keeps focusing on the bag. Alright, so I'm going to pause it, and then when we come back we're going to be dumping the fish in. So I'm going to use the magic of editing here. And I almost forgot, I need to test the pH. So, alright, got that guy filled up. Alright, 5 drops of that. So it looks like we're sitting at about 7.5 to 8, which is alright. We'll go with that. Not too acidic. And without further ado, we're just going to dump the whole bag in there. It looks like there's one more dead guy at the bottom here. I'll fish him out with the net. Alright. That's all the fishies. Alright, and there's that one dead guy in there. Maybe I can catch him when he floats back around. Can't really see the fish, it's really dark in that corner. Let me put a headlight on here and see if it'll help us. So you can see some stuff floating around in the water. That's probably just some of the packaging. Almost got him. There's one more dead one, so that's 3 dead ones. It'll be pretty difficult for me to count these, so I'm not sure how many are in there. But I guess we'll go with that. I'll fish out that dead sucker off camera later on. Alright, well, that's the new tilapia, a new addition to the system. And if you're wondering what I did with the other fish that were in the quarantine tank, I have already added them. They're in here already. It's quite dark in there, so I don't imagine you'll be able to see them. But that's where they're at. A little wide angle going on. And then you can see my aquaponics system. So tank number 1, excuse me, this one has the large fish in it, goldfish and koi. And then this one's got the tilapia fry. And then of course the quarantine tank inside the house. And then I've got my solid waste filter, my biofilter, and then that goes out to my sump tank, and then that feeds my grow beds. So there's my unboxing video for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in. I'll give you guys another update in about a month or so when I introduce those new tilapia to their new home in the large tank. So until then, you guys, hit that like button, subscribe, click the little bell next to subscribe, and you'll get a notification each time I upload a new video if you want to follow along. And if you have any questions or comments, post those down below. And I will put a link at the bottom for Allied Aqua, okay? So if you guys want to get some of your own tilapia at home and give that a try, they have a like a bargain deal on there where you buy 50 and like they choose which ones they give you. So if they have excess of this kind or that kind, you'll just get whatever they give you. And it's a pretty decent price, but just keep in mind that shipping is really expensive. It's not them, it's just, you know, you need to overnight these things so they don't die, and it just happens to be expensive to do that. And it's also holiday season, so you might want to wait until after December. It might be easier for you. So thank you guys, hope you're all doing well, and keep building.